All right, we've got the next question here. It says, would you rather receive 1,000 a year for 10 years or 800 a year for 15 years if the interest rate is 5%, the interest rate is 20%? And then why do the answers to one and two above differ? So, here the way we can analyze this is let's get the present value of this stream of cash flows, and we also compare it with the present value of this stream of cash. So the first thing we'll do, yes, you calculate for both. For both. Yes, yes. 5% for this one and 5% for this 800 a year for 15 years. Okay. So here, this is an annuity. Okay. Remember what an annuity is? Where you receive same payments for a fixed period of time. All right. So we start with 1,000 a year for 10 years. What is its value today? So formula for the present value of an annuity. Okay, let me zoom in. So this is the formula for present value of an annuity. So say 1 minus open brackets 1 plus r to the power negative n over r. Okay, so we start with the 1,000 a year for 10 years. Now, one thing you must realize is as the relationship between the interest rate and these present values is that as the interest rate goes up, the present value goes down. Okay, so let us first tabulate here. So A, which is our equal payments, is 1,000. Our rate is 5%, 0.05. It's for 10 years, so set to the power negative 10 divided by 0.05. Actually, this is the time we can use the present value tables actually. The annuity tables. These tables will save you time. So you just go to the annuity table. All right, here annuity table. It's our interest rate is 5%. So you come here, 5% here, the column of 5%. Then the number of years is 10 years. So you come here where there's periods and this is 10 years. So they intersect here at 7.722, right? 5%, 10 years, 7.7722. So this whole tabulation here is that 7.772, or basically this tabulation here. All right. So we're going to get 1,000 times 7.722. All right. Then we're going to multiply. Sorry, I'm just responding to somebody. Okay, 7.722. 1,000 times 7.722. Yes. Okay, now we compare it with the 800 for 15 years. All right, so here instead of 1,000, it's 800. And here instead of to the power negative 10, the power negative 15. So same thing, you go to the annuity tables, all right? They've told us 5% for 8 years, for 15 years. So 15, we look for the number of periods. 15 is here. 5% is there. We get 10.38. Yes, 10.38. So it's going to be 800 multiplied by 10.38. What do we get? 8,304. So here at a low interest rate, we see that this longer stream of cash flows will give us a higher amount than this shorter stream of cash flows. So this 1,000 you receive for 10 years, its value today, it's like having a 7,722. And this 8,000, this 800 for 15 years, its value today, it's like having 8,304 kwacha.